ndani. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's so huge. Look at that. Oof.
Ni kumpigia simu na kumpa taarifa kwamba
dark as ebony, skin like night, and behind her back there is a turquoise.
Guys, we are here at JUMBA MTWANA. So I'm gonna go in. I know I haven't introduced this video, but I'm gonna introduce it later. So let's go in and see what's up. Yep.
Water, feet in the sand, laughter echoes into the distance. The wind in the hair writes a new shape of the day, spinning in the sun as if time had disappeared. Grains of sand fly through the air like a rhythm. I look and be.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome to another beautiful vlog. So in case you're new here, my name is Eunice, or you can call me Kenyan Eunice. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch me. Before we continue with this video, please like this video, consider subscribing, and tell your friends to tell their friends about Eunice. So guys, before we go on, show them my outfit. I hope you all can see my outfit. That's the outfit of the day. So guys, today I'm at JUMBA MTWANA in Mtwapa. So I came here to learn about Swahili history, and I'm gonna take some videos for you guys. Yes, so stay tuned, and yeah, let's go.
She dances.
It's like time is free. Brown leather, sparks in her hands.
Jonas from Nairobi enters the dance floor. Stop. Ground with a pillow when he takes his step. Black as night, my eyes catch my eyes. He laughs quietly and I lose my voice. He listens to bits in his headphones as he drives through the city underfoot the sand, and still holds the pace. He says life is a rhythm, not a static photo. Every step is a little revelation.
Jonas, she dances, Jonas sings. Her smile of witchcraft from heaven's breeze. Brown skin in the eyes of the heat. Whoever sees it has already gone into taste.
Jonas, he dances, Jonas sings. When he spins his hip, the scene changes. Her black eyes see my fear. She Jonas, she dances.
It's like time is free. Brown leather, sparks in her hands.
Jonas from Nairobi enters the dance floor. Stop. Ground with a pillow when he takes his step. Black as night, my eyes catch my eyes. He laughs quietly and I lose my voice. He listens to bits in his headphones as he drives through the city underfoot the sand, and still holds the pace. He says life is a rhythm, not a static photo. Every step is a little revelation.
Jonas, she dances, Jonas sings. Her smile of witchcraft from heaven's breeze. Brown skin in the eyes of the heat. Whoever sees it has already gone into taste.
Jonas, he dances, Jonas sings. When he spins his hip, the scene changes. Her black eyes see my fear. She dark as ebony, skin like night, and behind her back there is a turquoise water. Feet in the sand, laughter echoes into the distance. The wind in the hair writes a new shape of the day, spinning in the sun as if time had disappeared. Grains of sand fly through the air like a rhythm. I look and become silent. My heart loses its voice as if the horizon itself suddenly took a step closer. She dances and the world freezes. Ebony in the glow glow of the blue sky. I want the moment to last over and over again. He holds my breath, my fate in his hands. The fire's burning. Dark as ebony, skin like night, and behind her back there is a turquoise water. Feet in the sand, laughter echoes into the distance. The wind in the hair writes a new shape of the day, spinning in the sun as if time had disappeared. Grains of sand fly through the air like a rhythm. I look and become silent. My heart loses its voice as if the horizon itself suddenly took a step closer. She dances and the world freezes, ebony in the glow of the blue sky. I want the moment to last over and over again. He holds my breath, my fate in his hands. The fire's burning.
Ciemna jak chyba, skóra jak noc, a za jej plecami turkusowa ton. Stopy w piasku, uśmiechnie się w dal. Wiatr w jej włosach pisze nowy kształt dnia. Kręci się w słońcu, jakby czas znikł. Ziarka piasku lecą w powietrzu jak rytm. Patrzę i milknę, serce traci głos, jakby sam horyzont nagle zrobił krok
bliżej. Ona tańczy, a świat zamiera. Chyba w blasku błękitnego nieba. Chcę, by chwila trwała wciąż i wciąż. Trzyma w dłoniach mój oddech, mój los.
Ognisko płonie, jej oczy jak noc. Czarne perły piją złoty żar wprost.
Jeśli to sen, nie budź mnie dziś. Chcę w tym wieczorze na zawsze tkwić.
Ciepły wieczór, sól na wargach jak ślub. Piasek się żarzy, niebo zmienia swój ruch. Chmury nad nami z ciemną purpurą w tle, jakby nieboskłon pod...
On YouTube, they were saying this used to be a toilet.
Śmieje się, patrzy jakby znała już finał, a każda jej iskra wypala mój cynizm.
Ona tańczy, a świat zamiera. Chyba w blasku błękitnego nieba. Chcę, by chwila trwała wciąż i wciąż. Trzyma w dłoniach mój oddech, mój los.
Ognisko płonie, jej oczy jak noc. Czarne perły piją złoty żar wprost.
Jeśli to sen, nie budź mnie dziś. Chcę w tym wieczorze na zawsze
Mówi
tkwić.
wzrokiem, zatrzymaj ten kadr, jakby morze mogło stanąć na straż. Każda fala szepcze, to nasz czas, aż purpura na chmurach pali się dla nas.
Ona tańczy, a świat zamiera. Chyba w blasku błękitnego nieba. Chcę, by chwila trwała wciąż i wciąż. Trzyma w dłoniach mój oddech, mój los.
Ognisko płonie, jej oczy jak noc. Czarne perły piją złoty żar wprost.
Jeśli to sen, nie budź mnie dziś. W tańcu wiecznie już chcę iść.
I'm recording.
It's like time is free. Brown leather.
So this is where they used to get water. I got that from YouTube. And this one, I don't know. Anyway.
Step black as night, my eyes catch my eyes. He laughs quietly and I lose my voice. He listens to bits in his headphones as he drives through the city underfoot the sand, and still holds the pace. He says life is a rhythm, not a static photo. Every step is a little revelation.
Youngest she dances, youngest sing sings. Her smile of witchcraft from heaven's breeze. Brown skin in the eyes of the heat. Whoever sees it has already gone into taste.
Eunice dances, Eunice sings. When he spins his hip, the scene changes. Her black eyes see my fear. behind her back there is a turquoise water. Feet in the sand, laughter echoes into the distance. The wind in the hair writes a new shape of the day, spinning in the sun as if time had disappeared. Grains of sand fly through the air like a rhythm. I look and become silent. My heart loses its voice as if the horizon itself suddenly took a step closer. She dances and the world freezes, ebony in the glow of the blue sky. I want them all.
So right now guys, I'm heading to the ocean. Yeah, I want to see how the ocean looks like from this side. Maybe it's here. Restaurant. Wow, a very beautiful beach. There's a restaurant here guys. I think it's called Monsoon Restaurant. Yes. You know it? That's the name? So guys, I'm going to be walking at the beach for a moment. I don't know if I said this, but the reason I came out here today was because I wanted to walk, and not just walk, learn Swahili history and everything. Yeah, so this is not just any walk. It's a very should I say productive, educative walk, something like that. Yes guys, so I'm at the beach and I'm gonna have a nice cute walk. I don't know why I'm saying a nice cute walk, but yeah, I'm at the beach and let's walk a little bit guys. Let's continue to explore. Sun-kissed. This must be the restaurant.
It's like time is free. Brown leather, sparks in her hands.
Jonas from Nairobi enters the dance floor. Stop. Ground with a pillow when he takes his step. Black as night, my eyes catch my eyes. He laughs quietly and I lose my voice. He listens to bits in his.
Oh, it's on this side. Gosh, I can't even see it. Wow, this is cute.
Jonas from Nairobi enters the dance floor. Stop. Ground with a pillow when he takes his step. Black as night, my eyes catch my eyes. He laughs quietly and I lose my voice. He listens to bits in his headphones as he drives through the city underfoot the sand, and still holds the pace. He says life is a rhythm, not a static photo. Every step is a little revelation.
Jonas, he dances, Jonas, he sings. A smile of witchcraft from heaven's breeze. Brown skin in the eyes of the heat. Whoever sees it has already gone into taste.
Jonas, he dances, Jonas, he sings. When he spins his hip, the scene changes. Her black eyes see my fear.
I don't know if you noticed this guys, but there's water coming out of this huge rock. I don't know if you can see, but wow, it's amazing.
is a turquoise water, feet in the sand. Laughter echoes into the distance, the wind in her hair writes a new shape of the day, spinning in the sun, as if time had disappeared. Grains of sand fly through the air like a rhythm. I look and be ebony skin like night, and behind her back there is a turquoise water, feet in the sand. Laughter echoes into the distance, the wind in her hair writes a new shape of the day, spinning in the
Ciemna jak chyba, skóra jak noc, a za jej plecami turkusowa ton. Stopy w piasku, uśmiechnie się w dal. Wiatr w jej włosach pisze nowy kształt dnia. Kręci się w słońcu, jakby czas znikł. Ziarka piasku lecą w powietrzu.
So let's head home, and in case you haven't subscribed, please take this chance to subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell your friends, and yes guys, thank you for supporting me, and may God bless you. So let's go. I'm tired.
It's like time is free. Brown leather, sparks in her hands.
I think this place you can't come alone. Kama unaogopa kama mimi. Cause look at this. Wow, it's so scary to me, that is. So in case you're planning to come here, find a friend, come with someone, in case unaogopa, because I chose to not have a guide. But if you come here, you can choose to have a guide or not. But alone, sioni kama itaweza for people like me. Yes guys, so see you there. I am tired, my hand is tired, my stomach is asking for something. I'm already chewing gum. I don't know if I can see it. Oh, it's gone. Oh no, it's here. So guys, before I get home, I want to go somewhere and buy pizza. I miss pizza, hoteli. Like I've been eating pizza at home, but of course in a restaurant the pizza is different, right? So let's go try a new restaurant. Is it a restaurant, a hotel? I saw it on TikTok, so let's go try it out, guys. Also, I'm going today on a Monday. Today is on a Monday. I'm going on a Monday because I saw that they have buy one pizza, get one free on Monday and Fridays. So why not go today when I can get one free? Yeah, so guys, let's go. So guys, before I head to the hotel, I forgot to tell you that I have some outfits that I ordered from Nairobi, some PJs and one outfit. So I'm gonna go to the bus station, pick the parcel, and then I'll go to the hotel, guys. Yeah, that's the update. If you're planning to come to JUMBA, MTWANA, just know that you're gonna pay some money. For me as a Kenyan, I paid 220 shillings, I think 210 or 220. And then if you're coming from outside Africa, you have to pay $9. In Kenya shillings, that was 1,100 and some shillings. So yes guys, it's not for free, but when you pay, you can go up to the beach, you can explore and then come back inside. Yeah, because they're gonna give you a ticket. From Malindi Mombasa highway, you're gonna take like, let's say 15 minutes if you're driving. If you have your own car or you're using Bolt, Aruba, that is, you're gonna take 10 to 15 minutes from Malindi Mombasa highway.
za jej plecami turkusowa ton. Stopy w piasku, uśmiechnie się w dal. Wiatr w jej włosach pisze nowy kształt dnia. Kręci się w słońcu, jakby czas znikł. Ziarka piasku lecą w powietrzu jak rytm. Patrzę i milknę, serce traci głos. Jakby sam horyzont nagle zrobił krok.
Bliżej! Ona tańczy, a świat zamiera. Chyba w blasku błękitnego nieba. Chcę, by chwila trwała wciąż i wciąż. Trzyma w dłoniach mój oddech, mój los.
Ognisko płonie, jej oczy jak noc. Czarne perły piją złoty żar wprost.
Jeśli to sen, nie budź mnie dziś. Chcę w tym wieczorze na zawsze tkwić. Oddech mój los.
Ognisko płonie, jej oczy jak noc. Czarne perły piją złoty żar wprost.
Jeśli to sen, nie budź mnie dziś. Chcę w tym wieczorze na zawsze tkwić.
Ciepły wieczór, sól na wargach jak ślub. Piasek się żarzy, niebo zmienia swój ruch. Chmury nad nami z ciemną purpurą w tle. Jakby nieboskłon podpisał kontrakt na grzech. Jej biodra piszą historię bez słów. Każdy krok bliżej, bliżej od snów. Śmieje się, patrzy jakby znała już.
Hey guys, so I just got home and I didn't eat my pizza at the hotel or the restaurant, so I came with my pizza. I'm gonna eat it here at home. I'm also going to show you my parcel that I got. Someone is calling me. So my friends, like I was telling you, I got this pizza from JUMBA at MTWANA. In case you want to go and promote them, they are so affordable. So I'm gonna have this later. Also, my parcel guys from Nairobi. I bought some outfits from Nairobi. Oh, that's my ID. So I'm gonna wash them and then we're gonna try it together tomorrow maybe, because I have to wash them first. So yes guys, maybe you could see only this one, but the other ones you're gonna see them later in this video or in another video. Wow, look at that guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yes guys, so I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna try it with you. So cute. Wow, that's small, but oh, it's not small, it's okay.
Sherry.
Uh-huh.